What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm touching on the topic, how can you inspire yourself? And I started with a drawing I did from a previous video, how to draw Blanca from Street Fighter using markers. Then I got to work. And in this video, I'm using Procreate to redraw that drawing. So the first drawing was done in markers on a sketch pad. This time I'm on Procreate and it's going to be done digitally, but I'm using that drawing to inspire this drawing. See if it comes out better or worse. So this is what I'm talking about with you inspiring yourself. So any drawing you've done, any sketchbooks you might have, even doodles, you could go back, check them out, and see if you can improve upon it. And this is going to be, the reason I chose this, because this was done with pencil and marker. And I wanted to see if the digital version would be more interesting or less interesting. And Blanca is definitely an interesting character. And just because you've done the drawing before doesn't mean the challenges would be any less. It's just the overall structure, trying to get that how you did it before is challenging in its own way. And then the first drawing, the fingers were not bent. So I said, let me at least bend the fingers on this one and see if that just adds a little extra flavor to it. And a lot of times I just go with the drawing and then decide I'm going to come back and erase. But I try not to let nothing stop me on this digital platform, because erasing and editing is just, it's so easy, it doesn't make sense to really stop. Procreate is all about closing off your shapes. So you could just drag and drop the color within each shape. And that's just always a satisfying thing to do. Anytime I get to that part of just dropping the colors, I always just enjoy it. Because you know you're getting close to the fun part, which is the colors and bringing the drawing to life. And the thing is with inspiring yourself, of course, you know you're not trying to do it exactly the same. You know, you're using that as inspiration, and it's just a different version in a different style, different medium you're using to redraw that character or that drawing you did. The only way you can try to duplicate that look is by doing it in the same medium you did it in the first place. And now we're just getting the shadows in there. I actually decided to do the shadows a little different. I made an entire layer on top, and I just made the opacity about 50%, and we're just doing all black. So as it goes over each color, it adds its own shading that can't even really know that I'm using black right now. So it's kind of an easier technique sometimes just to go for it. Now I'm just using the same opacity, but I just went to the white now. Adding some highlights. Come back in a second and just blur, smudge out. With this type of character, you don't have to smudge everything. Some sharp edges look good, like on the nails and pants. I'm gonna put a link in the description for the original video. Just a little highlight on the nails there. And right where the head meets, the hair meets the skull. Just want to add a little darker tone to it. Spread that out a little bit. Go out the hair. The first one I did not have a shadow on it. So this one I said, let me put a shadow. And there you have it, folks. My digital version of Blanca is done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, drop me a comment below. Let me know which one you thought was more interesting. The one done with markers or this digital version. So until next time, you guys be safe and be good. Peace.